This thing's kind of a shriveled up one. Doesn't feel like it has sealer on it. Anyway, it fits under, sort of. Could definitely be bigger. It's aged. Maybe sat in the sun too many years.
All right.
Something like that. Who knows? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and goop this up on this side. You can goop around the holes where it matters. Think it'll expand with this on there?
Maybe.
Not likely.
No.
It's not water.
So,
Only water makes gas expand. This actually makes them shrink when it dries. Perfect fit. That's it. Break it all. Now we can use these for this part of the job. We don't want the washer sticking to it. See, it lines up a lot better.
yeah.
As it dries, you stick it down. Take another minute or two for it to tack off. When you push on, it'll stay down. Look how perfect those holes line up.
It's amazing.
Maybe I goop up this cover. And I don't do the pump because I'm handling the pump all the time.
Mm.
Somebody got goop on there. Who did that? Wasteful. Sloppy.
It's horrible.
There's something wrong with this gasket. It lines up. See how thin it is there, and it still overhangs the top a little bit.
Mm.
Push it down a little bit. Be a little tighter on these holes here, but at least it got more gasket to seal with. Close enough. Alright, I'll put that out of the way. Okay, so we already did our clip on earlier, remember?
Yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and put some super snot on here. Let's see, big gears on the inside, yes. Yes, big gear and a small gear. Small gears on the outside, on the late bike. It's opposite on the early bike. So you goop that up. Big wad of crap right there. Wipe the oil off the gasket surface. Take that around. We can get to it. your good fingernails,
Yeah.
you put the key in there. Problem with any fingernails, so I just have to butt it in there. But see, it's in there. It's practice. Now you take the tall gear. Oh, no, it's not in there straight. It fell over sideways.
Oh, yeah.
It looked like it was in there, but see, I can't get my fingers in there. I got no fingernails. Yep, that's not working. Oh, the light's on there, huh?
Let's turn it off on this.
Who does that? Key went up. Key's trying to go out the back side. Key's screwing on me.
It's laughing at you.
It is.
I think it went up again.
Yep. Oil's too hot. So you come on the back side. Figure out where the high spot is at. Key went in.
Beautiful.
Now it's in there. I'm going to push this into there. Figure out where you want it to be. First thing I'm going to do is load this up over here with some oil. Lubes up the gear. Same thing on this side. Lubricates the shaft, the gear, and primes it. Hopefully. Okay, now this has to go in like this. And unlike that generator motor, you actually have to put this gear in there first. Look for the flattest surface. I'm thinking this side's flatter than the other side. So we're going to put this in this way here first, like that. So that's going to go in there like that.
Okay.
Key is on the outside. Go ahead and lube up this. You put too much oil on there to squeeze all out the gasket. And we're getting a little bit too much oil on there. Okay. Get all these screws out of the way. Push the gasket down. Make sure it's tight now. Should stick now with all the stuff we got on there. This allows you to do if this other gear is not on there. Now don't push all the way against the gasket just yet. I just put a long bolt on top to hold it. You gotta make sure this shaft is pushed in here all the time, otherwise it pushes the key out.
Ooh.
So that's on there now. So now you got the keyway right in front of you. You gotta figure out where the damn key is on the gear, which I haven't seen yet. I don't see a key. Must be too dark to see in there. There it is. Right about together.
Oh, it's down inside that bevel. That's why I couldn't see it. Okay.
Yeah. It's hard to see. Now you hold this right on the tip. Like that. You have to fish it inside the gear and in the shaft all at once. Usually it's a dark hole so you can't see it. You got to figure out where the keyway is in for the gear. some reason will not go in the gear. It's there, but it wouldn't go. Okay, right now the key is in the bottom of the case there. Key's out of the case. If there's any burrs on anything, or you're missing your angle is off a little bit, a few degrees, it won't go in. This one does not want to go in. Nope. Okay. That's why I left that bolt in there long. So why is this not going in here? This acts like it does not want to go in that hole. Well, obviously it does when it lines up. Nope. It's fighting me. Not sure why. For some reason, it's not even going in the gear. Alright, lack of seeing is not helping.
You want me to hold the other end of the shaft?
Nope. Okay. I'm not pushing the shaft through, that's not the problem. The problem is the key will not go into the gear. The angle is off or something's off. See what's in there right now?
Yeah.
See, it's not in there where it belongs. It's not going in the gear. See, the gear's not engaged.
Yeah, it keeps popping up.
It's not going in the gear. Usually just falls right in, but this one is not falling in. We already checked it, it goes in. But it's just not, the angle's off, something's off. I'm not sure what the problem is. Just won't go in. I'm half in, but it just doesn't want to go. There it goes. Had to force it in. Okay, then you turn around 180 over. So it's on the back side. So you can put your clip in there.
Yeah.
Dull side, sharp side goes out. This probably won't work, but we'll try it.
Do all C clips have a dull side and a sharp side?
Yep, they're stamped. And it's too loose. Yeah, nope, it's got some drag on it. See, I want drag on it. It has some drag, but not much. See?
Yeah.
I just want some drag. I don't want it to be a free spinning clip. Because the key can come right out through the center of the clip.
Right.
That's why I'm 180 away. Even though it's a lot smaller right now, there's too many times I've seen them come out. The clip will spread out or something and it just pops it right out. And the gear's got a big bevel in it, so it doesn't really push against the clip correctly. So that's another reason why it opens up on me, I think. They used to make the gear kind of a flat on one side, but then they started making them cheap. They just bevel them both equally. It's stupid.
Makes sense.
And it makes it harder to put the thing in there because you can't tell what you're doing. You can't see it. But if it's in there, that's all it matters.
All right.